How to fix air fryer error code E1. Now basically an E1 error code on an air fryer usually indicates a problem with the internal electrical system, often related to a faulty temperature sensor or a loose connection, and the primary solution is to basically unplug the air fryer, let it cool down, and plug it back to reset it. If the error persists, you want to check for any visible damage, and if none are found, contact customer service for further assistance as it may require professional further repair. Now basically you can go ahead and try a few steps when encountering this error. Once again, you can unplug and restore your air fryer. You can check for a loose connection. You want to check for damage. You can also go ahead and clean your air fryer, check the user manual, and basically if none of that happen, you can just head over to the customer support. If this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.